Hi, thanks for stopping by. You can see I'm in the middle of a calendar over here. This calendar is Denver Nuggets 51 at outlook.com. That calendar and or organizer in Outlook has been registered with our service. You can see that person, Denver Nuggets 51 at outlook.com, has been registered with Calendar Snack. I'm not going to go into that. This is just a speed test today of showing you how we get data into the AWS serverless system. So quickly, my setup slide is I'm going to use a organizer, in this case here, Denver Nuggets 51 at outlook.com. I'm going to inject that data into an email box. That email box is create@calendarsnack.com. That data is going to hit the box, and we're going to disassemble the new calendar invite data from the calendar client itself. We're going to process it using SNS, SQS, S3, and Lambda, and we're going to stuff it into the Dynamo database itself. Now, when you request a calendar invite, then off of the AWS system, the serverless system, it will be called via the single event invitation send, which is our tech stack here. This is not AWS's technology. This is our intellectual property using AWS infrastructure, and we've built something called the simple invite service. So I'm going to show you how I inject data in. It's that simple. And here we go. I'm going to go back to the calendar on this side, and I'm going to go back to the event organizer dashboard. Now, the last sequence of data I just put in this Calendar Snack organizer was 1425. So that was here. You can see I simply used create@calendarsnack.com. That data was injected into this Calendar Snack serverless system we've built. So what I'm going to do here quickly is I'm just going to run through these. I have 15 to do. So in a classic kind of speed showdown for fun, create@calendarsnack.com. There's the 7th. And you're going to hear a ding here in a little bit. Those are the dings. That is the notification that these things have been created. So that was the 8th. Here we have the 10th. You hear the ding there. A crate just happened in our system. There's another one. I just created one for the 10th. I'm going to get through these as fast as I can. You'll see that this data here, the 12th, I'll stop there, I'll refresh. I have disloaded 1, 2, 3, and 4. Technically, I should have 36 data events in this organizer's S3 box. And I'm going to refresh, and there you go, there's 36. So the last one I injected using our tech stack right here was this one right here, 112.25. That was the Dallas Mavericks at Denver Nuggets. So to validate that, going back to the organizer's calendar, and you'll see here, if I double click this one here, use create@calendarsnack.com, Denver Mavericks versus the Denver Nuggets was injected into the Calendar Snack system under this organizer's name, and this data is that simple to inject into the box. Now, I'm going to keep going here. The rest are going to be the same, quite boring, but if you want to entertain this short video, you're welcome to, and hang along with me as I inject data into the Calendar Snack system using the client itself as CRUD, essentially using it as the create, read, update, and delete stack, if you will, to AWS SES box. So I'm just going to keep hauling along. I have to hit edit to do the create, and then I hit send. That sends it to the box, and it's processing the data inside the box as we speak. And that Lambda, which we've created, is our proprietary piece of technology. It's available as a calendar server on AWS. It simply installs, and then you get the Calendar Snack interface for fun. You can create whatever you want with it. We ship with 9 APIs today to do all kinds of crazy cool things with calendar invites on AWS. Now, this demo here is just a demo series we've been doing on the NFL and now the NBA. It's fun to do game data, and sports marketing is a big business. So if you're a sports marketer, I'm talking directly to you or she, in that this possibly could be used for sending out millions of calendar invites to your fans via direct calendar invitations using AWS SES and Pinpoint, or in embedded upcoming landing pages, which we've invented with our technology that integrates all this calendar invites automagically into upcoming landing pages. So this is the stop of the demo. I just loaded in a total of 15 more games overall for this segment window of January for the NBA Nuggets. And if I add those two together, I should have 47 over here. And there you are there. So I have 47 events, about halfway through the 80 game schedule for the NBA for Denver Nuggets. And that's the end of this demo. Thanks for stopping by.